Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a question on complex function or complex analysis, which is from the topic analytic function. So it says the complex function is given and u is given by this, then the expression v will be considering k to be a constant. So for the analytic function, we know that Cauchy-Riemann equation should be satisfied, and we know that du by dx is going to be dv by dy, and du by dy is going to be minus dv by dx. We have to satisfy both the equations and then we can construct this complex function, that is the term v. So du by dx will be, this is u, so this term is independent of x, so directly 3x square will be differentiated and it will give 6x, and this is dv by dy, so we can integrate with respect to y. In that case, let's say with respect to y, so integrating with respect to y, we will get 6xy plus some constant of function of x, let's say, and there can be a constant also, we can consider it to be part of function of x also. So this is going to be v. Why have we considered f of x here while integrating with respect to y? Because when integrating with respect to y, x will be treated as constant, so like in the manner we get this constant, in the similar sense we can get a function f of x which is only a function of x, right? So this is like one case. Secondly, du by dy, from this u will get it to be minus 6y, and this should be equal to minus of dv by dx. So on integrating we are going to get minus 6xy plus some function of y. Let's consider that constant is also this in that function of y only. So this is going to be v. So this is 1 and this is 2. We need to compare it and we need to find what will be the exact v here. So we can say 6xy is in, this is going to be minus and then plus. So 6xy is in both the terms, so 6xy. Now we don't have any term which is f of x, we need to find something f of x that is only function of x, so we don't have it. Similarly, f of y we have to find it here, but there is no such function which is only function of y variable. So in that case we don't have any f of x and we don't have any f of y, we simply have a constant k. So this is going to be the answer. I think we have option there, so option D.